Recording start. Yesterday, understand the concept.
Ha, Venkat.
Yeah. Now what I am doing, I am creating one instance for the Docker. Regular instance, normal what we are creating every time. That normal instance, I am going to create now. So for the regular instance, this is not like మనకి AWS ఏంటంటే సర్వర్ బడ్జెట్ కాబట్టి T2 మీడియం తీసుకున్నాం. లిమిట్ అయిపోయింది కాబట్టి ఆల్మోస్ట్ T2 మీడియం తీసుకున్నాం. సేమ్ లైనక్స్ తీసుకున్నాం. T2 మీడియం తీసుకున్నాం. Or if you want to Ubuntu will create on some Kubernetes, not now. Okay. Linux is good. Without confusion, Linux is good. So same all traffic I'm taking here. 8 GB is fine. Server is created. So we'll check where is our documents. Give me a second, I am joining. 1 minute. Which my laptop got stopped. I'm joining now. Give me 1 minute. have server. We created already one server. That is nothing but the Docker server. We are connecting to command prompt. CD downloads. Just here. So our server got ready. Okay. Now we'll open GitHub or document. It is not coming. We'll check on the site. Wait a second. So directly I'm going to talk. So you can see here monolithic multiple services are deployed in a single server with single database. Yesterday what we discussed about this one, whole document is here. Microservices, multiple services are deployed on the multiple servers with multiple database. And what is the container here? It is the same like as a server or VMware. And it is not have any operating system. OS will be on image. Server is nothing but AMI here, and container is by creating the image here. Docker. It is a free and open source. It is a platform independent, used to create, run and deploy application containers. See, it is introduced on 2013 and we use Go language to develop the Docker. Here we write files on YAML. YAML I will tell. There is YAML, right? So Docker user faced to lot of problems, but after Docker there is no issues with the application. Before Docker so many user face problems are faced, but now all are good. So containerization process of packing an application with its dependencies like a Pepsi. So if you take the PUBG, biggest game, in that so many options are there and so many dependencies are there. That whole dependencies are packing into one application that is nothing but containerization here. Okay. Here OS level virtualization. Able to create, what is the virtualization means? Able to create resource on hardware properties. Okay, what is our hardware properties that they are creating the virtualization. And architecture and components. It will interact with user gives command and it will execute by the Docker client. Okay. Daemon is nothing but images, container and volume. If you will update any daemon, it will update each and everything, container, volume and images. And host. What is a host? Linux, Windows, Mac OS means if you will install any host, the operating system will restart here. That is nothing but host here. Registry is managing the images. I will show yesterday I showed the Docker architecture, right? See, this is the client. This is the client. Host and registry. If you see here, what I write in the PDF, our notes. Managing the components. Daemon is going to manage the components here. This is Docker pull and Docker run. This is the commands. What we are giving the commands. This is the command. Client is suppose client. I am the client. I am giving the commands to Docker host. This is the Docker host. In the Docker host, the daemon is passing the commands to registry. Registry is going to take images from images. It is going to create the content. Understand? It will understand. Wait and see. And architecture. Installing the Docker is client here. And need to start like a Jenkins. Same need to check the Jenkins status here. So first we'll go and create. Go and install the Docker here. We already have server. Sudo -i. Okay. Now install the Docker. Just install what we are installing the Git, Jenkins and Maven and whatever we are installing here. Same like as install the Git. Installing the Docker also. Install Docker command. Then after system start Docker. System CTL. Start. This is the service, right? Docker. So again same like as what we did in the Jenkins. Same also here also. See active running is means Docker engine means Docker engine here running. So now yesterday we discussed about some theory part. In the theory part I said images. What are the images here? We used to call as OS. So here default images are there. Some default images are there. For the default images, we are going to take Docker pull Ubuntu. That Ubuntu is default image without creating. It is going to check it in the internet like what I showed here. Docker pull Ubuntu. It is going to check the Docker daemon. Already we installed the Docker, right? So in this Docker, everything is there. It is going to Docker daemon. Registry means internet. So online. It is going to registry. Here it is calling as images and containers. Now I am calling Docker image. So when I call the Docker image, it is pulling the Docker image from online. Means default image. How to check the Docker image is came or not? Docker image is command to check the Docker image. See Ubuntu latest Docker image ID and it is already in the Docker registry 5 weeks ago. Now we created some 78.1 MB. Okay. Now from this image I am going to create one container. Docker run hyphen it means hyphen it docker run is a command. It is going to run. Hyphen it is an interactive terminal here. The command is interactive terminal. Hyphen name. The name we are giving here container name. I am giving container name 1 and image name. Image name Ubuntu or image ID also fine. I am giving image name here. Enter. Sorry, Docker spelling is wrong. So it is created and it went to container here. Now we are in container. See, container is like this. Before it is came as a host. Now it came as a container. This is the container and this is the normal server. This is the normal server. Host IP address is there. This is the container here. Okay. How to come back the container? How to come back from container? Control PQ is the command to come back. Control PQ to come back the container. Okay. And fill check docker image docker images is the docker to show the docker images the command. And how to check the docker container. Docker ps is a command. Some containers are in stopped state. Now we have only one container. But sometimes some containers are in stopped state, some containers in running state. How to check the running state containers? ps-a. Sorry. UOC. That is a running container it will show. Suppose if you start the container, docker stop container ID or container name. I am giving here container ID. The container is going to stop here. See now docker ps-a. It is in executed mode. It will show all the containers. Now it is showing all the containers till it is running. It will take some seconds to exit here. Docker ps. Docker ps is the running containers. Docker ps hyphen A is it is showing each and every container here. See, it is showing each and every container here. It is in executed mode. Docker start container or container 1. Docker ps. Now up in 7 seconds. We know already service up and service down. Service up means we are going to run the service down means we are stopping the service. Same here also up and down the containers. Docker ps-a. Now I am creating another container with same image. Docker run hyphen T I am giving. I am not giving I here. Why I will show. Hyphen name. Container 2 and image name. What we given image name here Ubuntu. Enter. See. Again one container is created here. Wait, server got hang here. So control PQ. Here I am closing the server and again on root. Check the Docker version is there and Docker status system CTL status for Docker. It is in active running. Now Docker ps -a. Now two containers are there. Docker ps. One is in running, container one is running, and container 2 is in stopper state. That's why it is showing Docker ps only one container here, that is container 1. Another container is in exited mode, means stopper state. Docker start Docker start container 2. Now check Docker ps. Two containers are in running state now. Before it showed only one container when we gave the command Docker ps. Now it is showing two containers. One container is up in before 3 minutes, one container up just in seconds. After here, understand? Can you please reply?
Okay.
Yeah. So see Docker pull Ubuntu, pulling the Ubuntu image. Docker image it will see list of the images. Docker -it name to create a container. IT means interactive terminal. To go to inside the container. See, if we see this one, this is the OS flavor. See the OS flavor. See, if we check cat ECT OS release, Amazon Linux OS here in 2023. We already took only Amazon Linux 2023 version when we created this server. This server OS is showing here. Right? When we created our instance, this instance is Linux OS flavor is see here 2023. This is OS we took here. So OS flavor 2023 version we taken here. Right? And if you want to update our server apt, if we taken m, right? So m will update. If you taken Ubuntu apt command will tomorrow will do in Ubuntu, not in m command will do in Ubuntu apt command. Without update we can't install any packages in Ubuntu. For Linux we install anything but in the Ubuntu will not take. So the container if you want to install commands instead of apt, we take m command here. So now I am not installing any command here. Docker PQ to exit the container. Already Docker PQ. Docker ps-a to list all the containers. ps-a to list all the containers here. So we have docker ps-a. We have two containers here. I want to enter into one container. Docker attach is a command. Container docker attach container to or container ID also fine. Now we are in container. Inside the container, I am going to create touch file 1. ls. Sorry. Docker attach touch file 1. File 2 I am creating here. Server getting hanging here. Docker ls file is created and docker attach container ls. Okay. Server getting hanging, I will tell same thing. So here docker attach container name to go inside the container. Stop to stop the container. And docker start to start the container. If you want to pause our container, that is one option is there. Here pause container. One container I am pausing here. Docker ps will check container 2 is paused here. Right? Container 2 is paused here. Same like as simply unpause. It is going to unpause the container here. See, before it is paused. Now in back same state. Okay. Now if we'll check the docker inspect command,
వెంకట్ వినిపిస్తుందా?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm audible.
I'm audible.
The screen
The
is also
screen is also
visible, right?
visible, right?
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah. So here we paused, unpaused
Unpaused
also.
also.
And Docker inspect is a command to inspect our container. See, inspect means the whole details, container details came here with the container name and that is running state or paused state, whatever it is, all it is showing here. Capacity, memory, whatever it is, all shown here. Each and every container IP address also there. See, this is a gateway, and this is the IP address. Each and everything it will show in the inspect command. See, gateway 16 and IP address, and this is the gateway IP address, and hairpin mode for something what is the bridge network, volume, everything it is showing with the inspect command. And if you want to delete Docker, how to delete the file? Here we have one file is there, rm rf file. If we'll delete like this, the file will be deleted. How to delete the container? Docker rm container name. Container 1 can't remove the container 1 is running. So first it is saying stop the container and remove the container. Okay. See, if you read this, container is running state, stop the container before removing or forcefully remove this one. So I am going to stop the container 1. So container is stopped. Container is stopped. Now I am going to delete the container 1. If you check Docker ps -a, only one container is there. Only one container is there. Docker ps. Only one container. If you want to delete this also, same Docker stop the container and delete the container. So same all the commands here. and OS is virtualization of OS level. We already did this commands here. Okay. Already did this commands here. Docker pull Ubuntu and Docker run the one setup chair. 5 minutes. Exactly 10 minutes. So and Docker exit command. See, if you want to do the exiting the container 2, it is going to bash. I will tell the bash what is the bash and all. Okay. And now if you want to install the commands each and everything, first we will enter again to the container 2, and I am going to install each and every command here. See, it is updating. Inside the container it is updating, not outside the container. Inside the container it is updating. Now I am installing Apache package. Apache package, it is installing Apache package. So HTTPD hyphen sorry HTTP again command prompt or Apache 2. Yeah, it came. Apache 2 version. Syntax error why? Okay. And MySQL server also we are going to install. Inside the container, each and every package able to install. Why I am using the apt means the container is in Ubuntu. If you'll see the container is in Ubuntu here. That's why I am installing the apt command here and creating 5 files here. See? And if you want to create another file, touch file 6. See, another file added here. And if you want to commit we don't have Docker 1 and the image is Ubuntu. So Docker commit Ubuntu container to Ubuntu. So commit container 1 is on the container 2. Okay, I will check the later this comment something is wrong here. I will check the spelling or something. Okay. Then yesterday I discussed about the Docker file. So again I am telling the Docker file and another class. Tomorrow from here I will start. Again Docker file. If I say whole today, somewhat it will confuse. Just I explain again same what I explained yesterday. Now I am explaining again. Docker file. It is an automation way to create the image. Directly we pulled here Ubuntu or Amazon Linux. Docker pull Ubuntu. Sorry. We are in container. I forgot that. Now we are in exited. Docker pull Amazon Linux. Spelling is wrong. See? Docker images. We have two images now. Now we have two images. One is Amazon Linux and another one is Ubuntu. So here see it is an automation way to create the image. Here we are using the components to create image. In Docker D should be capital, D must be capital, and components also capital. Here we can create image directly without container help. Without container help, we are creating the image here. So the component yesterday already said. Now I am again telling the container from run command entry point copy C is to base image run to execute the Linux commands CMD to execute the same Linux command but it is in image creation, it is in container creation, and copy the files to container and add to copy the internet files to container and working directory to open required directory. Labels we are giving the environment we are setting the environment and arguments to pass the environment from outside the container. Export port number we are exporting. Yesterday what I said. I told. I am Docker file. I am creating one Docker file. D must be capital here, and I am installing some packages by using the run command here. See, from Ubuntu, run apt update and run apt install Apache 2 and apt install MySQL server. Save this one. Now how to Docker build -t image name. I am giving image one dot. Okay. Docker build image name dot. It's yeah. Docker build -t image one dot. It is going to create the image here with installing the packages. Updating, installing whatever it is the packages, and finally it is going to create image. It will take some couple of minutes because we are installing three packages. At a time, three packages in the by through Docker image here. So if we give Docker image, how many images are here? Total 3 images. We already have two. Now one image is added. From new image, I am going to create Docker container. Docker -it name. Container 3 and image 1. This is the image. One I am taking. And container name is 3. And hyphen name Docker -it name container 3 image 1. Docker -it name container name image 1. Something we missed here. Anything we missed here? Sorry. Docker run -it. See, container is created. Inside the container, I am creating one file. ls. The file is added here. If you come out by using the control PQ, if you check here, only Docker image is there. See, Docker file is there, but this file is created inside the container. Docker ps Docker 3 just now created 30 seconds before. Okay? Understand? We'll continue tomorrow from here. Okay. Yeah. And if possible practice again practice this class from Docker. If you have any doubts, let me know. I will clear. I'm terminating after completed terminating our server. Tomorrow again will create. So when we will terminate here also it disconnect. See, it is already disconnected. Okay. I'm stopping the recording also.